In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make money with a TikTok shop by selling print-on-demand items. This strategy is beginner friendly. Anyone can do it. You don't need any followers or have any design experience, and you don't even need to create any videos if you don't want to. This is one of the simplest ways to make money online that's working well right now. So this will be a complete step-by-step guide, and I'll walk you through everything from A to Z. So here are the topics that we'll go through in this video: how to create a TikTok shop, 4 ways to sell, the best print-on-demand supply to use, product research, how to find what's selling well, how to create product, get traffic and make sales, and how to automate fulfillment. So let's get right into it. So in case you haven't heard about TikTok shop yet, it's a new feature on TikTok, which is similar to Amazon or Etsy, but it's built directly onto the TikTok platform. So people can basically buy and sell almost anything on there. And TikTok has been pushing it hard recently, which means you can potentially get a lot of free traffic to your products and make a lot of sales. And one of the best ways to do that is with print on demand. So you can think of TikTok shop as the first ever content-driven e-commerce business. And there are 4 main ways to sell on TikTok shop. First one, we have dropshipping. That's when you don't hold any inventory, you just market and advertise. And when you get an order, the suppliers fulfill the orders for you. And next we have private label. That's when you have your own brand. And wholesale is when you buy in bulk and wholesale price, and then you sell the product to customers at retail price. And last we have print on demand, which is the business model that we will focus on. And the pro to this is that it's a simple scalable model. And once it's set up correctly, it's pretty much hands off. A small con is that it has a lower profit margins, but I think it is the most beginner friendly model to start. So that's what we're going to be focusing on. Another benefit with print on demand is that you don't need to hold any inventory of your own products. Only when an order comes in, then you can place the order with the supplier, and your supplier will ship the product directly to your customer. And this process can be pretty much automated. So let me show you exactly what to do. The first step, you need a print on demand supplier that will print and ship all the products to your customers directly. And if you want to have a smooth process, it's important to choose a print on demand company that's reputable and can connect directly to your TikTok shop. And the one that I use and recommend is Printful. Printful has a direct integration with TikTok shop, so you can automate the process with a click of a button. So to sign up for a free Printful account, you can use my link in the description down below. Once you create your account, you can use any of the Printful's blank products, and you can upload your own designs and start selling them on your TikTok shop. So the next step is to set up your TikTok shop. And here's one very common misconception that a lot of people have about TikTok shop. Most people think they need like at least 1,000 followers to create one, but the answer is you don't need any followers. You can start a TikTok shop even with 0 followers. So the way to set one up is you need 2 accounts. One is to set up a TikTok shop account, and the second one is to set up a normal TikTok account that connects to your shop account. You can actually use your existing TikTok account if you want, but I just think it's better to create a dedicated account to connect to your shop account. So for the normal TikTok account, you can just simply go on your phone and create a new account. And for the TikTok shop account, what you want to do is come to this website, seller.tiktok.com, and that's where you can create your TikTok shop account. So when you're on this page, on here you select your location, go to enter, and here you could log in with your TikTok account, authorize, and here you will enter your email or phone number, press continue, confirm. So on this page, you would select the business type that applies to you. I would pick corporation and then click next. And on this page, you would just fill out the business details, the legal name of the business, the EIN, and your business address. And now on the next page is where you would fill out the legal name of yourself and your residential address, and also your social security number or your tax ID. Be aware that I am located in the USA, so if you're going through this process in another location, you may see something different. And then the next page is where you would create your shop's name or use the existing TikTok username. Pick your primary product or service. So I would just go with, say, home supplies. And you will also put down your phone number. Okay, after it's submitted, you will see this page where it says, we'll review your submission and update your registration status within 48 hours. While you wait, feel free to get started on other steps to set up your shop. Click get started. Alright, so the approval process was actually a lot quicker than what it stated. It has only been about 10 minutes or so, and my TikTok shop, as you can see, has already been approved. So yeah, you can check your email after you submit your application, and that's how they notify you when your shop has been approved. Alright, so next we are going to set up our shipping settings. So what we want to do is come up here to this icon, click this, go to my account, and go to account settings. And then you would want to go to warehouse settings, click on this. And for the pickup warehouse, you want to come here, add warehouse address. So on this page, you would want to put your name and your phone number, and you would want to put the address of the Printful warehouse that's in your area. And same thing you would want to do for the return warehouse address. All right, so if you're located in the United States like me, then this would be the address that you would want to put for the pickup and return warehouse address. And then if you're located in the UK, then this would be the address for you. All right, so next we are going to connect your Printful account to your TikTok shop. So to do that, come to Printful, and on the left-hand side, go to Stores. And you could pick Choose a Platform and look for TikTok shop. Click Connect, scroll down, and you can authorize whatever location you're in. Click this. Next. You can log into your TikTok shop. Okay, there's a warning and on hold order status. Okay, just hit continue for now. Unlimited. Here, put in your email and your phone number and click confirm to install. Okay, scroll down and authorize. Click continue. Okay, so here you can see my TikTok shop is connected in Printful. Okay, so next comes the fun part. We are going to start creating and adding our product. So first step, come to Printful, and you can come to the product catalog on the left side. And on this page, you can see that we could add any hats, any t-shirts, hoodies, or phone case. But what we are going to focus on is going to be mugs. Now, the reason why we are going to focus on selling mugs on TikTok is because one is low priced. So the price point is easy for people to purchase, and it has fast shipping. It won't have any sizing headaches. And also you can create and test designs easily, so you can jump on trends. So I think those are all good reasons to be selling mugs on TikTok. So next we are going to find products that sell. So a good strategy is to go to Etsy. And on Etsy, you are able to see what sells well on here. And a lot of the print-on-demand items are already selling really well on this platform. So what we are going to do is to find some inspiration and to get inspiration and make it better. And we are going to search mugs here. And then when you scroll down, you're able to see the ratings of each mugs and also the number of reviews. So what we can do is sort by, let's do top customer reviews. And here you can just take a look at the different designs and see what catches your eye and see what would be a good design for us to replicate. So I think this one is a funny one. I asked my husband to do one thing and suddenly he has to poop. I think something funny could do well. So let's continue to scroll. This one was one that I liked. So something like that I think is pretty cool. And as you can see here, it's 5-star and they have a bunch of reviews, more than 8,000 reviews. So something like this I think we could just use as an example for this video. So we can replicate a similar design in Canva. So here on Canva, we are going to create a similar design. So we can come to elements and look under sunshine. Let's see what we can find. Okay, maybe something like this. Looks cute. And we can add text. I'm just doing it really quickly, just so we have something to show you as an example. And then we're going to adjust the font in a second. And then you can go back to Printful, and this is where you can upload the design. I like to add it on both sides. So that's what it looks like, and save the templates. All right, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is how to get traffic and make sales. So there are two main methods that we could use. Method number one is to use stock videos or image footage at placeit.net, and I'll show you what the website looks like. So this is a website where you could find, a bunch of image or video mockups that you could use, and you can simply upload your image, and then you could use it as your content. So one good thing about this website is that when you use this, you could test out different designs fast, and then to see what works. You probably won't get crazy views from using mockups like these, but it still definitely works. And then method number two is to use TikTok's affiliate program. This allows you to have different influencers or affiliates to help you create content to help you sell your product. And in return, you would just pay them a portion of the sales as commission, and there's no limit of how many creators you work with. Okay, so what you want to do is come to TikTok shop and go to the affiliate center. you can go to find creators, and this is where you can find a list of creators that you could potentially reach out to. You can select the main categories, or you can scroll down and then you can see the actual stats, how many followers they have, the average video views, and when you click on them, and you can actually see how much revenue they have generated and with what product. So this is a really useful and easy to use tool for you to determine who would be a good fit to promote your product. You know, get in touch with them, reach out to them, or ask them if they want to promote your product, or you could even send them a free sample for them to create content on. So definitely check this out. The potential is huge. You know, if one video goes, you know, viral, you know, it definitely can bring in a lot of sales, and also, you know, brings in a lot of revenue for both you and also commission for the creators. So it's a win-win for everybody. So that's it for this video. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.